Follow the usual login process. This is explained in more detail in the previous instructional video in this series. The previous instructional video in this series explains the process of creating a new clinical trial notification. This video will explain the payment process after a clinical trial notification has been submitted, how to vary a notification, how to print a notification, and how to submit a notification of trial completion. Once you get to the submission screen, fill in the drop-down menu choices and select the notification you wish to submit. Only submit one notification at a time. After selecting Submit, you will be required to accept a declaration. The TGA provides a range of payment options. However, the online payment method is preferred. To pay an invoice, go to the online payment site and fill in the correct information, including your invoice number. This is a typical TGA invoice, and the invoice number can be found here. After the clinical trials team has processed your CTN, an email will be sent advising that your CTN is available in your clinical trials repository. To access the CTN, go to your clinical trials repository. From the clinical trials repository, you can print your CTN, make a variation, or complete your CTN. To submit a variation to your CTN, go to the clinical trials repository, select Vary, and enter the new details in the Change to Trial Details tab. Validate and close the CTN when you have finished. The variation to the clinical trials notification must be saved, validated, and closed before you submit the variation. If you would like to print out a copy of a notification for your records, you can open it from the repository using the Print Preview tab. Please note, to use Print Preview, pop-ups must be enabled in your browser. The notification will be displayed in a suitable format for printing. To submit a completion advice, go to the Clinical Trials repository, select Complete, and enter the Completion tab details in the Completion tab. Save, validate, and close the CTN when you have finished. You may then submit the completion advice.